I mean, this is not 20 meters per second. This is much more than that, people. Look at that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, AliShanMao here. I'm going to fly the Black Hawk UH-60, which is a Yuxiang F-09 helicopter, and also sold as Ishin E200. And I will also fly my DJI Mavic Air 2 and switch it to POI, point of interest mode, so it will just circle around and shoot the video for me from air. Oh, I forgot, this is not GPS. It's completely manual. Ah man, the joy of flying a completely manual helicopter is simply indescribable. I mean, I cannot even describe it. So let's see. The camera is actually looking at me, so if I keep the helicopter right here, it should be able to see it in the air. Oh, the obstacle avoidance sensors of DJI Mavic Air 2s are detecting it, and it's trying to bypass the helicopter. So I'll be pushing it towards the trees maybe, which is not a good idea. But hey, you can actually see the helicopter through the eye of DJI Mavic Air 2s probably. The joy of flying the helicopter in manual mode while a drone shoots the video for you. Hopefully you can, if I'm flying like this, hopefully you can see the helicopter as well. Now you have watched the videos of the F-09S GPS helicopter, and I really want to do a, comparison videos between these two helicopters, but I ran out of both batteries, so I couldn't do it today. I'll do it inshallah tomorrow soon. And right now what I can tell you is that I would prefer, if I had some some helicopter flying experience, I would prefer to go with this because I can learn to fly it much better and improve my skills more. Throttle control is one of the most important skills for flying RC helicopters, and manual flights are the way to learn to fly. But with GPS helicopter, the good thing is you have FPV, RTH, reliability, you won't be crashing it, and if you're a beginner, you can, easily learn to fly it. Or even without learning to fly, you have never flown an RC helicopter, you can still fly that helicopter and depend on its reliability. So those are the things. But what I like about the Black Hawk is that you can switch it to idle up mode, and you have much more speed and control, and you can even do this. I mean, have you ever seen a Black Hawk flying inverted?
2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed. Idle up 1.
Anyway, what I love about this Black Hawk is it has everything that I need. 3D, power, speed, performance, scale flight, 3D flights, all of which you would really, really love to have. All right. Still, if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn to fly, or just, again, if you're a complete beginner and you do not want to learn to fly RC helicopters, but you just want to start flying RC helicopters, well, I would say go for F09S, because you have the stability of GPS, reliability of GPS, and you have FPV, ease of flying, no 3D, no crashing. Anytime you lose control, you simply activate RTH and it will come home for you all by itself. But if you want more thrill, more learning, you need to go for the Black Hawk UH-60. I mean, this is not 20 meters per second. This is much more than that, people. Look at that. That's how a Black Hawk performs, right? Right there, the beauty of the real Black Hawk is this. All right, I'm gonna land and call it a day and fly some 3D helicopters. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.